Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use quadrants on your circles. Circles, we know, always have, as long as you have your center points turned on down in your dynamic input. If you have center turned on, then you will get the center point when you decide to do something with the circle, such as moving it. Okay, so we get the center point right there, and we can use that as a reference point or base point. You have to make sure to use the quadrants, you have to make sure that quadrant is turned on. Okay, right there, quadrant. It's not always turned on by default, and sometimes it may even be annoying to have it on, but if you need it, you definitely want to go there and turn that on. So now, when I hover over the circle, I get quadrants. Okay, so I can actually use those quadrants as base points that I can actually snap onto other reference points, such as maybe another circle. Let's copy this one, and then we will move this one using a quadrant, and we will snap it onto another quadrant of that second circle. Okay, so that's how you use quadrants. Of course, they can also be used to increase the size of your circle as well. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Straightforward, to the point, and simple.